Hi there, today I'm making some cheesy almond flour crackers and showing you how I put together a vegan cheese platter. Start off by taking out the clumps from about 3 cups of almond flour. In a large mixing bowl, add your seasonings. Grab some salt, paprika, white or black pepper, onion and garlic powders, nutritional yeast, and 2 flax eggs. Whisk it together and add your almond flour. Then add about 2.5 cups of finely grated vegan cheddar cheese and a block of vegan Parmesan. Using your hands, combine all the ingredients to form a dough. On a parchment paper, place the dough and top it with another parchment paper to roll it out. Once you have the dough completely flattened out, trim the edges and cut it into squares. Set the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for about 45 minutes, or test by making sure the cracker is firm and doesn't fall apart. Once it has cooled, break apart. Now we are ready to make a cheese platter. I have included some sliced cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, vegan cheese slices, cashew cheese, strawberries, olives, and of course our very own cheese crackers. I hope you like these cheesy crackers. Thanks for watching and enjoy.